The ignorant does not succeed when he speaks, and the wise do not remain silent when he is quiet. If God forbids livelihood, there is no place for compensation. Life is not measured by its length, but by its depth. A person is with those whom he loves. Patience is the key to relief. A sound mind in a sound body. Live as you wish, for you will die, and love whom you wish, for you will part with them. People are like the teeth of a comb, none is better than the other except through piety. Experience is the mother of knowledge. Do not grieve over the treachery of time, for as long as you danced on the bodies of lions like dogs, do not think that your dance will rise above your masters. A person is between his brother and his truth. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. Actions are judged by intentions. A tree is known for its fruits. Don't be sad that you failed as long as you are trying to stand on your feet again. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Time is gone, and man has gone with it. If you are ashamed of God, do not be ashamed of people. Soft speech conquers clear truth. No one knows the value of water except for the thirsty. He who doesn't love people shouldn't be blamed. A man's dignity lies not in his clothing, but in his soul. Contentment is a treasure that never diminishes. Think before you speak, and look before you act. To live happily, one must have patience, tolerance, and forgiveness. Society needs hope and optimism. Generosity is the beauty of the soul and the richness of the heart. People give priority to appearances and do not care about the content. A man is born free, so do not enslave him. Praise is to God in all circumstances. Knowledge requires effort and acquisition. Health is a crown on the heads of the healthy that only the sick can see. Do not hold people accountable for the mistakes you have made. Life is short, so do not waste your time on trivial matters. Love is blind, and marriage restores sight. Wisdom is in the head, and beauty is in the heart. Water washes the body, and prayer washes the soul. The perfect mind in healthy body. True friendship lasts a lifetime. Life is not fair, but we must treat people justly. Patience is the key to relief. Hope is the sun that rises every day. A positive outlook makes life better. Courage is not the absence of fear, but facing and challenging it. Perseverance is the path to success. Hard work leads to success. A pure heart sees beauty in everything. True beauty comes from within. Knowledge solves the problems of life. Gratitude is the foundation of happiness. Health is a crown worn by the healthy, but seen only by the sick. Bad money goes with the wind and true friends stay forever.